I've been with you for 7 long and happy years. Though meron tayong mga differences that obviously carried us to this point ng relationship natin. I know na lamang yung happy memories ko with you than sad. Kapag nag-break ang dalawang tao, people expect na laging may sigalot, laging may galit sa isa't isa, laging may taong in pain. What we feel right now, at least that's what I think, is the feeling of being at peace. Na we came out better people sa relationship na to than our version when we started this. Bakit kami nag-break, you may ask? We just didn't see each other sa future ng isa't isa. Parang yung differences namin at yung magkaibang path na gusto naming tahakin made us realize na hindi kami ang saktong partner para sa isa't isa. Maybe we're mature that way. This is the good in our ending. We have loved each other strong enough to respect that we deserve someone better. Each of us do. And for that, I am proud of us. I love you, my Baba. Go find someone who can make you a better man. Better than I ever can in a lifetime. Kapag dumadating tayo sa end of the line, especially sa isang relationship, we try to find blame or point our fingers towards one another, saying na siya yung may dahilan kung ba't kami nag-break. Siya yung may kasalanan kung bakit kami nag-break. Ito talaga yung storya kung bakit kami nagkalayo. We try to find faults in each other, flaws, loophole, para masisi natin yung kabilang kampo. We always try to find an excuse as to why it ended. And frankly speaking, kapag storya natin, kapag kwento natin, it was never us. Hindi tayo. At never magiging tayo yung may mali. We try to justify ourselves each and every single time. Pero a love like this, yung relationship ni Aeriel, grabe yung maturity. Grabe yung foundation ng pagmamahal nila sa isa't isa. Na nakapag-build sila ng hindi mapapantayang respeto sa isa't isa. To know that my love, my person, my human, my partner, my everything deserves someone better. Someone that I can never be. Something that I can never give. And for that, I think I have to let it go. And for you to have a consensus, mutual decision to make that happen, kasi the other side also thinks na you deserve someone better than he can ever be, is a beautiful kind of relationship. It may not be the kind of love that lasts, but it's the kind of love that sets the standard of relationship you are gonna accept in your life. Diba? It only goes better from there. Yung ganung ka-mature na relationship, yung ganung ka-mature na pagmamahal at pagtingin sa isang tao, mature enough to let them go when you know you can't be the one they need, it can only get better from that. And they found good. They found something good in their endings. Kasi alam nila sa isa't isa na they are not just doing it for themselves. They are doing it for a person they love. At masaya sila na however the relationship turned out, confident sila na they became better version of themselves because of that relationship. My love, Yun na siguro dapat ang standard natin ng pagmamahal, ng pakikipagrelasyon. Hindi yung laging patwitams, laging naghahanap ng sisi sa isa't isa. I am no stranger to that. I am guilty beyond reasonable doubt. I always, syempre story ako ako'y bida. I kinda always blame yung exes ko for how our relationship turned out. Not knowing na along the way, meron din akong nagawa siguro for that to turn out like that, for that to happen. Siguro meron nga din akong pagkakamali nang hindi ko lang tinignan kasi minagnify ko lang yung ginawa nila sa akin. So, let their love story be an inspiration to us all. Now, when we love a person, let's not be selfish. Huwag tayong selfish to the point na pagdating sa dulo, ang titignan lang natin ay yung contribution natin sa relationship but not the reason as to why it ended. Not our contribution as to why it turned out to be a failure. Why umabot siya sa hangganan. Sometimes the end of the line teaches us na hindi porket yun na yung dulo, it means na we need to feel sad. We need to feel down. We need to be in pain. Na sometimes pagdating natin sa dulo, we need to feel empowered. Because no matter how awful the ending may be, yung journey papunta doon made us stronger, made us wiser, made us smarter. We grow more mature because of the experiences na natatamasa natin because of those kinds of relationship. So my love, if ever kayo din ay nasa end of the line ng inyong relationship, kung dama mo na sa sarili mo na I no longer see this partner of mine as part of my future, hindi ko na nakikita yung sarili ko sa kanya in the future. Hindi ko nakikita yung compatibility naming dalawa in the future. Sana love that person enough to let them go. Not point fingers kung sinong may kasalanan, kung sinong nagkamali, kung sino yung naging dahilan as to why you came to be or you end up having that kind of decision. Sana pagdating nyo dun sa dulo ang ma-realize nyo lang. This person made me a better version of myself. It turned out na yung relationship namin, no matter how awful the ending may be, made me feel a little bit stronger, a little bit tougher, a little bit wiser. Claro? Claro.